Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a mouth-watering journey to discover the sizzling delight that is Samgyeopsal. Beyond its savory aroma and juicy flavors, Samgyeopsal holds some intriguing secrets and cultural significance in Korean cuisine. So, let's dive in and explore the world of this beloved Korean pork belly dish. Samgyeopsal is a popular Korean dish that consists of thick slices of pork belly, grilled to perfection at the table. Its name, Samgyeopsal, literally means three-layered meat, referring to the 3 layers of meat and fat in each slice, which contribute to its mouth-watering taste and tenderness. The act of grilling Samgyeopsal is more than just cooking, it's a social experience. In Korea, Samgyeopsal is often enjoyed with family and friends, gathered around a table with a built-in grill. The communal atmosphere and sizzling sounds of the meat cooking create a lively and enjoyable dining experience. One of the unique aspects of enjoying Samgyeopsal is the DIY wrapping. Once the pork belly is grilled to perfection, it is typically served with various accompaniments such as lettuce leaves, garlic, green onions, and dipping sauces. Diners create their own wraps, combining the grilled meat with these fresh ingredients for a burst of flavors and textures in every bite. Samgyeopsal is a beloved companion to Korea's drinking culture. It is often enjoyed as onju, a type of food meant to be paired with alcoholic beverages. In the evenings, you'll find Korean locals enjoying Samgyeopsal with their favorite drinks, enhancing the camaraderie and bonding between friends. While Samgyeopsal is distinctly Korean, the love for pork belly isn't limited to Korea alone. Similar pork belly dishes are enjoyed in various countries, each with its own unique twist and preparation methods, showcasing the global appeal of this delectable cut of meat. Beyond its delicious taste and cultural significance, Samgyeopsal offers surprising health benefits. Pork belly is a rich source of protein and essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and zinc, supporting muscle function and overall well-being. When enjoyed in moderation, Samgyeopsal can be part of a balanced diet. And there you have it, the captivating tale of Korean Samgyeopsal and the wonders it brings to the table. From its communal grilling culture to its global popularity and nutritional value, Samgyeopsal is truly a dish worth savoring. If you found this exploration into the world of Samgyeopsal intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. And, of course, if you want to explore more exciting content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy eating and stay curious.